Hi guys, welcome back to the another live stream. I hope you guys are doing great. Right now I'm in this position. Wait, okay. All right. So right now I am in this position. We are aiming for the buys, and yeah. So let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. All right. Okay. So yesterday, I think yesterday was a bank holiday or something like that. Yesterday's candle, if you see the yesterday's candle, I'm expecting that we can get some kind of rejection from the half wick candle. So it's almost 23. So you can see almost 14 pips around somewhere right over here. So we need to be careful. 14 pips right over here. That is half wick of the daily candle of the previous. We can get some kind of rejection over there because there's also a small fair value gap, plus there is a halfway candle over there. Also in the 4 hour time frame, if you see overall view, we are already in the bullish trend. You can constantly see higher highs are forming, higher highs, higher lows, and we are above the 21 EMA too, right? Let's see how does it plays out on the 5 minutes time frame. Already in EU longs, 1 ratio 4 is running. I think you bought from the bottom, right? Wait, let me see. Okay, cool. Trade already given 1 ratio 1. You can put your trade in the break even if you want, or to put Euro USD. Wow, great guys! You're already in Euro USD trade. That's good. 11:30, right? 11:30. 11:30. 11:30 we have. Okay, all right. So if you have bought somewhere right over here at 11:30, we could have cashed some good move. 11:30 candle. All right, yeah. That's what I wanna observe, but because 12:30 candle is a bit late, how much pips we captured from here till here? Almost 10 pips, right? Okay. Gotta see that we will trade on 11:30 or 12:30. I posted in the Discord. Yeah, I already saw that. 1 ratio 4. Wow. Gold 4 hour flip gave 1 ratio 2 and done. It can go down a bit more, but I booked midnight at 1 ratio 2 as it was an overnight position. Doesn't want to carry as buys might change. You you lost a perfect AMD setup, and actually that formed perfect AMD setup. All right, let's see if we can get the move today. We need good bullish candles today to get the TP done. For me, this month is not a good start, to be honest. Is there any news today? Let me see. Wednesday. No, there's no news today, I guess. Only yellow folders we have. Indices mostly betray me when US markets open, but when it moves according to my setup, I miss those moves and regret. And on top of that, the move that you took, it was, I think, in the midnight, right? So, indices and Nasdaq, you need to be vigilant very, very much. That's why I just avoid trading Nasdaq or US 30, etc. Because if you miss one entry, then you are gone. And that too, if you trade on the 1 minute time frame. Let's see, we have 20 pips and 10 pips SL. That means 1:2 almost. Nasdaq gives good move where it gives exactly, when if you trade it perfectly Nasdaq, then you expect a very good and huge move. I mean, you don't have to wait like Euro USD whole day. You just be done in 1 or 2 hours. That's all. Quick scalping. The one which I posted happened after 8:30 p.m. IST, and in London session, we had that MSS in 1 minute and 5 minutes time frame which I missed. No problem. But you captured Euro USD and gold too, I think. I really have so much urge to trade Nasdaq, to be honest. 9:30. We had such a beautiful move yesterday. See, if we would have shorted somewhere right over here, 9:30, almost this candle right over here, and place the stop loss somewhere right over here, 74. That's also, I mean, something like this, 1:2 or maybe more. I mean, the setup that is formed after 9:30, it gives very, very good move. Even if you have taken on 1 minute time frame at 9:30, let me see, 9:30. Even on the Nenwa session at 19, here, this move, if you have captured at 1 minute time frame, I would have probably taken somewhere right over here, something like this. And it has a very good probability, by the way. Hello, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Yeah, gold and I moved SL to break even thinking that it gave 1:2, but it was 1:1.9 and hit and break even stop loss, which made me go bad again. I got another quick entry in gold again in 1 minute time frame, liquidity sweep and MSS. In gold, okay. See, we were talking about MSS and you got the entry in MSS. Already hitting 1:1, right? So I'm entering in the two positions. See, my main position is this 1:1. Why? Because I'm a bit testing, experimenting with this kind of position 1:2, that how it's performing. But my main position is always something like this, safer and better, because Euro USD, as you know, it consolidates a lot. So I expect it to move freely and give a lot of space. So that's why I take this kind of trade. It takes time, but anyways, it works out. So something like that. 1:3 is running. Awesome. We are catching the most amount of risk to reward ratio. I need to badly see, I need to write this down somewhere. That if we would have taken the position at 11:30, might we would have been, covered 10 pips already. Then we gotta shift back to 11:30. Have you tried taking first presented FVG in Nasdaq? TP is at 4100. Okay. Euro is betraying me since 2 days. There's a lot of wick imbalance upside, so might get a wick fill. We rejected the scandal. If you see, we got a rejection right from this area, this zone. There was a bearish fair value gap. Let's see. Most of the time, it consolidates a lot. Till NY session, we get some kind of move. But let's see. Let's see. What's gold even doing? The 1 hour is already been flipped in gold, so might be your TP is already coming. It's more few pips, that's all. एक बार हायर टाइम फ्रेम टू लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे स्ट्रक्चर मैपिंग सिखा दो. Okay. Okay, fine. See, mostly I don't do that because I don't trade on the basis of that, but still for some kind of influence, I'll tell you. Basically, if you wanna see the buys, we are mapping the buys, right? So we'll come on the daily time frame and take a little bit of idea जो हमारी previous daily candle की closing कैसी हुई है. So if you see the previous daily candle, that was yesterday's candle, we rejected heavily from the 21 EMA, but we closed above the previous daily candle, right? So now it made a kind of imbalance that has to be a little bit filled. What I believe in is half-wick theory. So what happens is जितनी भी विक्स फॉर्म होती हैं या तो वो फुल फुल विक जो है उसकी कंप्लीट कर देता है अगला कैंडल या फिर इसकी हाफ विक से रिजेक्शन लेके इट क्लोजेस बैक राइट सो देयर आर टू पॉसिबिलिटीज विद इन दैट सो वन इज दैट इट कंप्लीट्स अ हाफ विक or it closes above that, right? So yesterday's day before yesterday's Monday's trade that I told you guys, if you remember, that I told that it will be rejecting from a certain area from the half wick and it came back down, right? That we closed the 1:1 position. So it happens like that. If you come on the 4 hour time frame, see on the 4 hour time frame, we are taking the support of the 21 EMA, right? You can constantly see यहाँ से reject होके ऊपर हुआ, reject होके ऊपर closing the, and it's constantly forming higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, and so on, right? So from here, that's why we are expecting a long trade. अगर आप यहाँ पे let's put the fib, let's put the fib, right? 4 hour का हमने fib लगाया है यहाँ पे. We are almost rejecting from 61% level, okay? 61% level से यहाँ से rejection आ रहा है. So that's why हम shorter time period पे गए and then we place our entry. Even if you see on the 1 hour time frame, यहाँ पे देखते हैं, this was the candle that was made. यहाँ पे एक bullish पे वाली gap भी था. So it came down. It filled the imbalance, and now that's why we are expecting the above move because we got the rejection from the 4 hour of the 61% level. And even if you see this one more confluence, जो ये 1 hour की candle form हुई है ना, that is a no wick candle. If a no wick candle is formed, that is considered a very powerful and a bullish candle because price always come to that area. Imagine this is the no wick candle. It came down, it came down, it came down, it came down. It compensated this area. It always compensate the no wick area, made a small wick out of here, and then giving us the small move above, right? That's how we do higher time frame to lower time frame. And now if you see on the 15 minutes time frame, यहाँ पे देखो अगर आप तो यहाँ पे imbalance fill हुआ पूरा. There was an imbalance, there was a no way candle of the 1 hour time frame, and from here we had a small market structure shift. and closed above below the this lower high. Okay, and again if you see on the 5 minutes time frame, we see constantly higher highs and higher lows, and taking the support of the 5 minutes, taking the support of 21 EMA, right? So that's how we kind of observe the buys. But also I also do one thing. If you see on the 1 hour time frame, I always take this confidence also. You come on to the 11:30 scanner. If I'm placing the trade on 12:30, I'll come on the 11:30 candle, and I'll mark the highs and lows of that. And if we're in the trend, if we are in the uptrend, right? Um, I saw that 12:30 candle closed, not closed, even opened above the previous hourly candle and broke the highs. So I'm gonna go on the 5 minutes time frame. I'm gonna see where is the fair value gap is formed. Imagine my fair value gap formed somewhere right over on this candle. I took the trade right over here and aiming for the 20 pips above and the stop loss below the lows of this candle, right? Why 20 pips? Now people ask why you are taking 1:1. Basic thing, 20 pips is the average move that Euro USD gives. So that's why I always place my 20 pips. That's when you make your trading more of algorithm and not be subjective with it, I think it's more good, because it will not be heavy on your psychology. You just know your target, you know your TP, you know your SL, you need to execute. That's all. Just keep your hands off the your keyboard. That's all. That's how it works. That's why I'm placing two trades, that is 1:1 and 1:2. 1:2, I'm just experimenting with it because the nature of Euro USD is quite consolidating, and I feel like it should be given a lot of space. We all know that since we are trading like 2 months, it consolidates a lot, a lot. So that's why I fear that's one thing. But if we can get something in 1:2, then all right, we're gonna continue with 1:2 then. Gold is in sell since yesterday. If gold hits 4100, it will be another 1:9 plus trade in 3 days. Crazy, 1:9. Oh my god. 4100. So that's how I make my confidence mainly. See, majorly, I just don't look daily time frame. I am focused more on 1 hour time frame, or mainly 4 hour time frame mostly, right? We got the rejection from here. We had a bullish candle, 61% rejection, taking the support of EMA, came to 1 hour, filled the imbalance, saw that there was a no wick candle, filled its compensated its no wick, and gave us the another, giving us the small bullish move, right? But now the thing is that I am trading 12:30, and we need to again observe that is it working well on 11:30 or 12:30. If you see on GBP USD, I don't know how many of you have guys have observed GBP USD. It's working very excellently. Wait, on 15 minutes, right? Just come on to the 15 minutes, watch the trend, watch the no wick candles. That's all you need, okay? But you need to be vigilant about that, where is no wicks are formed. Even there's one small indicator for the no wick candles. So wait, I'll spot for you guys. mm, okay, so here there was a no wick candle. This candle, as you can see, that was formed at 12:30 something, 20:30 something, and the price moved above. It was above 21 EMA as well, and it came down. It compensated this line, this no wick area, made a wick, filled the imbalance. This is the imbalance within the candle, right? That's why it's called no wick candle, and it has a 90% of probability of flipping. So imagine it came down, and we would have placed a stop loss something like this, 17 pips and 22 pips, maybe TP, something like that. It works best if you take the 1:1 trades in that, and you can refine it later accordingly. I'll show you more examples. 1:1 within the trend. Imagine you just take the trades within the trend and spot the no wick candles. Here we go. We have a small no wick candle, and as soon the no wick candle is formed, there is a compensation for this candle right over here, and then we took the trade. See, you place your stop loss right over here, 20 pips, and take the 1:2 or mainly more than that. You can get easily, but it works best on the 15 minutes time frame. So, um, do see that. Then we came here. Here, it didn't tap. It tapped a lot after a lot of candles after, but just take within 6 to 7 kind of things. No way candle you learned it from Raja Banks. No, no. This one very underrated trader that told me about this. But I haven't heard of Raja Banks anything. I'm not sure if he trades Novik. But GBP USD it works best in GBP USD, and on 15 minutes time frame it has the highest probability. Then again we gonna see this is, but it like it has a lot of candles in between. Now just be careful about the micro wicks. It has a micro wick. Don't rely on the micro wicks. Rather, just stand for the no wick, because the probability will be a bit low. Fine. I think this, yeah, this is the candle. We have the bullish trend. It came compensated. We have a good move above. Let me see some bearish trades example. It starts from something like B, a Bard. I feel it's his name is Bard, something like that. You can look up on the YouTube if you see. Just send the link maybe in the Discord channel as well, because I don't remember what exactly his YouTube channel is, but his name is Bard. Right. Then we came here in the bearish trend, and it didn't tap quite well. It took a lot of candles in between. Then it didn't tap. See, when the bullish trend came down, compensated. This didn't work quite well. Even if you watch the videos of Uncle Ted, I think his name is Uncle Ted. He has like a very old lectures. If you watch, he also tells about the no wick candles and half wick candles. Didn't came down. This one candle came, but then again it was caught up in consolidation. Mm, this was there, but it didn't tap. Hmm. This tapped, I guess. This tapped. Came down a little bit. Most probably 7 pips. 7 pips down. So 1:1 almost. This one, this came up. We had stop loss of 17. This was a, I think, failed setup. So like that, you can just see the Novi candles and within the trend that is. And there's some kind of rules also maybe you can follow after refining your strategy. Let's see if this plays out or not. If we fill this fair value gap that is on the 1 hour time frame that is bearish, then still we are good to go. This should be having. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I think it's already 1:30, and whatever it's gonna be SL or TP, I'm gonna update you guys in my Discord channel. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. If we got our SL, then that's all right. I think we're gonna take it out because there's a lot of liquidity right over here. Well explained, thank you. I never trust Euro USD with these kinds of move because it will consolidate at the end and will give us a move later, maybe in the day. Till then, guys, I hope you trade well. Let's trade, let's grow together. And whatever it's gonna be, TP or SL, I'm gonna update you guys in my Discord. And if you have any type of question, you can just ask me in my Discord or you can DM me directly. Till then, see you, and I will see you tomorrow at the same time, maybe a bit early. We'll start the stream. That's all. Thank you, guys.